Hey everyone! Welcome back to our Python for Beginners series. Today we are going to explore one of Python's most important and useful features, lists. If you have ever made a shopping list or a to-do list, you already understand the basic idea. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create lists, how to access an item and how to change an item in a list. What is a list? In Python, a list is simply a collection of items stored in a specific order. Think of it like a box that can hold multiple things, numbers, words, or even a mix of both. We create a list using square brackets and separate each item with a comma. Here's a simple example, a shopping list. Shopping_list is equal to milk, bread, eggs. Here, we have three strings, milk, bread, and eggs, all inside one list. Now, shopping_list is what we call a variable. You can think of a variable like a labeled box. The label here is shopping_list, and inside the box we've stored our data, in this case, a list. A list in Python is simply a collection of items stored together in a specific order. Here, our list contains three strings, milk, bread, and eggs. Just like a real shopping list you'd make before going to the store, this list keeps track of all the items we want. The name shopping_list is chosen because it clearly tells us what kind of information this variable holds, making the code easier to read and understand. But lists don't have to store only text. They can store numbers too. Numbers is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here's the cool part. Lists can even store different types of data at the same time. For example, mix is equal to 10, hello, 3.14, true. That's a number, a string, a decimal, and a Boolean value all in one list. This flexibility is why lists are one of the most powerful tools in Python. Creating a list, you can create an empty list like this. My_list is equal to. This is useful if you don't know the items yet but want to fill it later. Or you can create a list directly with items. Fruits is equal to apple, banana, mango. Python even allows nested lists. That means a list inside another list. Nested is equal to apple, banana, 1, 2, 3. This is helpful when you are working with data in rows and columns, like a table. Accessing items. Every item in a list has a position number called an index. In Python, counting starts at 0. Let's say, fruits is equal to apple, banana, mango, or fruits, 0, gives you apple, fruits, 1, gives you banana. We can also count backwards using negative indexes. Fruits, -1, is mango. Fruits, -2, is banana. This is really useful when you want the last item or to without knowing how long the list is. One of the best things about lists is that they are mutable, which means we can change them after we've created them. Let's say we have this list. Fruits is equal to apple, banana, mango. Now, I've decided that instead of banana, I want orange. All I need to do is point to the item I want to change. And remember, Python starts counting from 0. So, banana is at position 1. I write fruits 1 is equal to orange. If I print the list now, print fruits, I get apple, orange, mango. Or see how easy that was? This is something you can't do with strings. If you try to change one letter in a string, Python won't let you. But with lists, swapping out values is quick and simple. Here is a quick question for you. If we have a list, fruits is equal to apple, banana, mango, what will fruits -1 give us? Type your answer in the comments. Subscribe to stay updated with all the new content.